Let's go, man. We getting it. We getting it. We getting it. Let me turn this brightness up, bro. I can barely see it. Contrast. Put that up a little bit. There we go. I don't know if I can see that good, but we there. I get on my towards live. I missed last night's short, bro. I'm so mad about that, bro. But I'm still a 1 year though, so I can't really worry about it too much. I can't be worried about it. Yeah, I mean, I just can't be worried about it, man. Can't be worried about it, man. It is what it is. Just gotta do what I can do. Waiting for my mentor to get on right now, so just gotta listen to his thing. Go ahead and set my stuff. ATR is pretty freaking wide. 739. It's not too bad. 39. About 40 something. Pretty decent. Pretty decent ATR for today. Pretty decent. 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 I'm up $2,900. Out of, I'm actually up like 5,000 this month, but yeah, gotta start somewhere, man. Gotta stop being so hard on myself, thinking I gotta be up like 20, 30 bands out of my first year. But I'm still learning though, so I'm trying to like humble myself like real quick. It's like, bro, like relax, like you're fine. Yeah, man. Let's get ready.
Recording in progress.
Let's get ready. Dang, I've been quiet for like a little bit, and already, like it was saying, it didn't sound detect on my thing. It's just
Yo,
absolutely.
yo. What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Fucking awesome start to the week. We live for type of starts like this. Let's freaking get it, man.
There we go. All right, cool.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh, no, my screen shouldn't look too small. It's just a
We got a
screen.
lot to
So
cover in 15 minutes, so
screen should look just fine. It's a sunny day out. It's a
let's
new
get
day
it.
to try it.
All right, we're gonna jump right into it, y'all.
Going
Here we
into
go.
it. So we
SPY.
got it.
We are now back below
What's up,
that
y'all?
previous week's low. SPY is opening at 678, which is about $2 away from the bottom of that weekly range. So we're getting to that area, right? Technically, we have broken that downtrend. The almighty level on SPY is essentially right. This is big, right? We have a minor level here. This is big, right? So today's game plan on SPY is, as you guys can see, we did break that big.
All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Other audio. Get here. All right, so I don't think hear from there. Let's see what we got here. We opened here last night, bounced off of that demand there, and what we can see here is we've been rejecting this 24,800, and as anybody can know, is that we had a lot of like these war things going on with Iran, United States, and Israel, but that's news. We rejected that, created that higher low within this structure here, went right up, rejected that 24,900 around here, went back down and flooded this whole move down Now we're at this support level right here. As y'all can see, got that double top here. You can retest this. Oh, and we can go all the way down. Show y'all. Get to that higher low here, that low there, and break this other low right here. That is be going all the way down. I don't know where we're gonna go from there. It's not a lot. Real quick. I'll create one here. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is it. Here, and here. That's the final one right there. So we can get from here that 666 all the way down to that 477. So either way, a lot, we got a lot. So got some going on. Yeah, something came out, but it goes strong right here. But we'll wait till the open. Probably like 11 minutes. I don't want to rush this. I don't want to rush this real quick. I don't want to. I want to get on and find out. So, that'd be cool. I don't want to F around and find out, bro, because that'd be bad. Yeah, and that was a 100-point move. Just a bit. That top right there, all the way down, right here, 100 points. Insane. We're on a downtrend right now. As y'all can see, like high, got that high, got that low, high, lower high, lower, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Flooded. So let's see what happens. We gotta see what we can get here. Listen to my mental as I'm talking. So, kind of adjust it away a bit. Make sure. Oh, how's gold doing? Gold is cool. Okay, gold didn't really do much last night. I didn't do much. I mean, it just kind of was flat overall. It didn't do nothing. Like gold do something. Nothing. Literally, absolutely nothing. Gold just absolutely. So, all right, whatever. Yeah, it's 43. 30-point move right there. Just from that, just from this little bit, 30 points. Actually, from up here, all the way down here, that is 30 plus points. Insane. Insane, man. It's gonna be interesting to see how this all goes. I do think we're gonna get a pullback. I really do. I really believe we're gonna get a pullback. It's over. We've been overheating for a while. We've just been chopping down a range for so long. This is hard. I mean, look at this whole little range right here, bro. We just been chopping around here for so long. But look at this little bitty range right here. We just been chopping among the range. It's been hard. Anything. It's gonna be interesting to see. It's gonna be very, very, very interesting to see right here. Everything looks good for lower though. I would like to get some shorts, so but it's the short. Might end up taking that. I might just want to see where it is. See what we can get here. Oh, let's get it started here. Let's get it started. Do this thing. Let's get it started. Let's get it started here. Let's get it started. Yeah. I'm also recording this to post this somewhere else, so I just want to be sure I can get it right. Oh, y'all can't see this in my head. There we go. I really want to send this short, but I really don't want to do it yet. Low key want to short, but I want to wait for that retest and then we can go. But I don't know. So it's like a potential double bottom here, so I'm gonna be patient and wait. I figured we'd be bearish. I was hoping we would be a little bullish and then be bearish, but it is what it is, man. Can't really guess and tell where it's gonna go. Can't really be guessing, just saying like, oh, it's gonna go here, it's gonna go there. It's just not the right thing to do. Or it should. So, you can't you just gotta take it for what it is. But that's the thing about the market, man. You can't guess where it's gonna go, what it's gonna do, how it's gonna be, where it's gonna be. It's you just gotta work, gotta work. Goodness gracious, Tesla is down. Tesla is down, bro. It's at 390. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see this, but look at this. Look at this, bro. Tesla is down. Fucking down, man. How down this is. I knew it was gonna come down that far, though. I knew it was gonna come on down. I bet you it comes down to 200. People think I'm crazy when I say that, but okay. Thinking I'm crazy. Keep thinking I'm keep thinking I'm crazy, bro. Thinking that Tesla's not gonna go down some more. Keep thinking that I'm crazy. Everything's coming down. I really want to short this, but I'm gonna wait till market opens. I'm gonna just be a little patient. Just be patient, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna just be patient, bro. I think we are gonna flood down. I really do. That's 609 there. That's the tricky scenario there we gotta look out for. Probably won't even need that right there. Real quick. I don't know why, bro, but I go through this trial and error. Yeah, we're holding that there. Can't get me there, bro. Can't get me there, Brody. Can't get me there, Brody. Oh damn. We're gonna see what we can get here. Mm. We're bouncing off of that. We're holding these lows. See right here, 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 here. If we break that structure, we can keep going down. See, is my stop loss set? Yeah, it's set. All right, cool. Had to make sure I have my stop loss. Everything set. Dang, it keeps on head there. See, my seat is low enough. I'm glad I was patient because I was thinking of going short here, but I'm glad I didn't. But I'm glad I watched out for that. Kind of rejected right here. Not really good. Hell this low here. So kind of glad I didn't go short there. Who's good I waited. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Market opens and oh, it's about to open right now. See what we can get here. I'm glad I was patient here on the open. All right, got that break. Now we're retesting. See if we do fail. We are failing, but I just want to see what we can do here. I want to go short here, bro. Nah, I don't. Just wait a second. Give it a sec. Gotta, gotta wait for it to get what it needs to get. Hope y'all can see that. Hold on. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm glad that we stay patient for this because I freaking knew I've been tricked out so many times last year, y'all. So I pretty much be knowing what this is gonna do. I pretty much know. That is six. That is almost yeah. That's 100 points plus. I knew that was gonna happen. Now, if we see a move that just goes straight up like this type of move is not sustainable at all. It's not at all sustainable. I knew that was gonna happen too, bro. I just knew that was gonna happen. I had a good feeling that was gonna happen. A strong feeling that was gonna happen. That we were just gonna wick and then just go. I had a strong feeling, but we just took out these highs here, so we could keep going. But if we fail here and keep going down, then we could probably short. But right now, we look incredibly strong right now, so we shall see. That candle is 604. That's 140 points. Jeez, man. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. It's a lot of points, man. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen too. That's why I was worried about that hold of that demand right there, as y'all can see, and just rip city. Could have went long, but still, whenever a stock going down and being red like that, it's hard to go long on that. It's hard to go long on that. That's just not something you really want to go long at. One candle, bro. One freaking candle, bro. Look at that. Just one candle. 24,600 all the way up to 24,800. Not exactly 600, but man, look at that. Got 24,700 here too, because as you can see, reject, reject, went there, reject, reject. So, wow, this is insane. Could have went long, but that's just, I mean, chances. Swept all those. I think we're gonna be bullish here. Telling you, if we stay strong here, we're gonna keep going, bro. There's no way we're not going to keep close above this 24,800. We're filling that gap. We're gonna fill that gap. We're gonna fill that. Oh my goodness! Look how strong this is. That whole gap right there from 901 all the way to 9. So that's about 40 points there. Would have thought it would have done that. Insane, bro. That it literally went to these overnight highs here. A lot of people who try to go short here, that's that's just wild. It's wild, bro. Wild, 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 wild. This is why you guys wait for the break and retest. You wait for that to break, retest it, bam. But dang, bro. Whoever went short right there, you got your pants ripped off, literally. Moves like this are not sustainable though, bro. Like you're not gonna be able to hold this for very long. A move like this with no pullback, it's gonna crash again. You just 200 points, bro, is just wildly insane to me, bro. I don't understand how the freak do you do that, bro? 200 points. 200 points, man, is just wildly insane. See, that is just wild, bro. It's still going, bro. It's still freaking going. All right, we're rejecting yesterday's highs. One of yesterday's highs, where we had that support there, here and here. We rejected here and here. So we got some time. Again, this move is not sustainable, bro. So for 250 or 270. Some people did go long here, though. I mean, if you want to be an absolute high risk trader, long there. I hate to hear war news, bro, because it sucks. Because it's either you stay away or you got size down and do what you got to do. Let me ask my mentor what's the ATR. I had to ask my mentor what's the ATR right now. I could have long that, but that's not something I was willing to do. I'm glad I was patient here. I was so glad I'm patient. My conscience was telling me to wait. We're rejecting yesterday's supply. That's for sure. We're rejecting it, but are we actually going? Facts. You long that right on the open like that, you got a lot of balls. You have a lot of freaking balls, man. Takes a lot of balls to be. Come on, man. Come on, man. It didn't go down there. 24,800, man. Come on. Let me use micro. Things at 50 right now. I got one mini. I do two, but I'm gonna do one. See if it'll simmer down. It might simmer down right here, but we'll see. 803, we're at that. Smooth is 30 something. 40 something. So we'll see what happens. If we would have went below, got that retest, bam. Just do it. Taking care of business. Taking care of business. Still holding that 24,800, so I don't want to rush to go short yet. I'm tempted to go short, but I'm not going to rush to do it. See what we can get, man. Let me see. Is there any data? I meant to check that. I don't think we got anything today, because if it did, I would have. Still got 3 minutes left on this thing, too. That's the worst thing. Yeah, it's PMI. Okay, dang. PMI is at 945. Sorry, y'all, just typing through. PMI is at 945. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for that to pass then. Anyway, so it's cool. We haven't done nothing yet. We haven't done too much yet. That is amazing. We're holding this so well. I feel like we're gonna squeeze. I feel like we're just gonna go up here. If we do, that'll be fine with me. But still,
Sorry, take something now.
get over that 25, 125. That's definitely gonna be skipping numbers there. I think we're gonna get up here, maybe reject that 25,000. I think it was an obvious long. Not really, bro. It wasn't that obvious. It was not an obvious long. I mean, it could have been. I don't think it was that obvious. It was not that obvious, bro. And I'm reading the chats from the other Zoom right here, so there you go. It's just not gonna be it. Hopefully he took that though, since he's speaking like that, saying it was obvious. You speak like that, then hope you took it for your sake, cause that for damn sure was not obvious. Off of one candle and one wick, like. Let me go to freaking micros, bro. I'm not gonna F around and find out here. Do like 3 of them, bro. I'm gonna just do micros, bro. I got time for this fish. I really don't. EMI just came out. Carried out was short lived. Hmm. Huh? No, like.
I don't know. Laundry detergent for you.
Hmm.
What's it looking like today?
Oh, it did this morning. Found something, bam. I knew it was
Is
gonna.
he in it?
No. You're on camera too.
Oh, I wish you would have told me that.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Anybody in here?
There's one person in here. Some people came and went. Yeah, just gotta be patient. Yeah, they can. Hmm. What up, user 2 something? I don't even know. Just way back. I don't care if you left or not. Mm. $8.15. Right there. Yeah. Let's see. What are we doing here? We're not really doing nothing, man. Let's go like 3 micros. Morning. Make sure my stop. Okay, it's already set. Cool. We're literally not doing nothing, bro. This is insane that we went up like 200 and some points. That's insane. That's literally insane. There's no way any good trader would have caught that. Would have caught that whole one big candle move. That's just impossible. You're not catching that. Wait for this volatility to slow down. I'm on micros. I'm not on minis right now. I freaking missed last night's short. I'm kind of scared to lose money. I don't know why, but I don't like losing. I hate losing, but that's part of the game now. So I gotta stop doing that because it's just what it is. We got 24,900 all the way to 24. I hate losing. Yeah, don't we all hate losing? Don't we all? Don't we literally all hate losing? We all literally hate losing. If we get above this 24,900, we're filling this gap. We're gonna go all the way up here. Your TR is like 50, which I don't think it's 50. I feel like it's higher than that. That one candle was 80 plus points. Yeah, I'm on NQ. Sure am. Sure am. This type of move like this isn't sustainable. This little move right here is not sustainable. This whole little move right here. No. We're rejecting that 24,900 again. We got to get above there. We're rejecting yesterday's high. Oh, shoot. My screen about went off. Could be reversing here. We get above there, yo. That's going to fill that gap easily. This type of move is not sustainable like at all. Whatever. Not even a little bit. Get above that 24,900 though, we're gonna fill that gap easily. Overall, we got this whole little move right here. Whole little move. Thanks for the like. I'm gonna check and see how these I'm not trying to say. Dang, I'm trying to see how these. Let me see how options are doing. I know it's crashing right now. Dang, Tesla's crashing. Came right back. Rejected yesterday's high. This might be a good short here, possibly. I get what big traders say when they say wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. Don't entering. All right, my mentor is about to take Q instead of NQ, but I need to start trading options again. But I've been so hyper focused on futures for right now. Yeah, that's 897 all the way. Dang, this ATR is wide, bro. This ATR is freaking wide, man. I'm only doing like 3 micros right now, so that lets you know like how much I'm gonna do two instead. I'm gonna do 2 micros. So that's only like I think $4 a move, I think. Somewhere in there. It's like $4 a move. So even if I lose something, it's really nothing. It's absolutely nothing. Three would have been $6, but it wouldn't have, it doesn't matter. It really does not matter. $6 and then 15 points, that's $90. So $90 loss, I can take that. Yeah. One enter right here, but that's a 90-point stop right there. That's just not something I'm willing to risk. Because it's six times 90, that's $500. I'm not comfortable with that type of risk on my not a risk I'm willing to take. BRB. Okay. I feel like I'm so low of energy. I think because this is just my patient face right now. Like I don't know if I can be hyped off of stocks or hype off of trading futures. Like, is that even possible to be hyped off of trading? Like, quite literally. Still holding this. It's crazy how much you have to learn, like with trading, bro. Like, there's so much to learn, like from charting, journaling, freaking knowing what to take, the wide ranges in ATR. It's just crazy. It's pretty tricky, man. It's a lot to learn in trading. That's why I understand why it takes people years to actually understand this. I mean, it makes so much sense. It makes so much sense now. Why it takes people so long. Shoot. What am I doing? What am I doing? Let's see. Can we like actually get something too? Like, I want to like get something. Like, let's see. 18. Dang, this ATR, man. This ATR, man, is crazy. It don't seem like much, but this is 819 all the way 860. That's about 50 plus right there. No, that's no wait. That's like 40. It's like high 40s. 19 minus 66. 20 minus 66 is 46. So yeah, it's about 45, 45, 47, somewhere in there. That's pretty decent. Pretty decent. I still think we go higher though. I really do. But if we fail below here, we're gonna get lower. I mean, it's 50-50 jump ball right now. Saw that from last night. Just it's in between here. We didn't really have anywhere to go, but now we're here, so it's tricky. It's tricky to know where we're gonna go from here. Pretty tricky right now. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's really hard to say. Oh, we got another data point at 10, so gotta wait for this. I think after we get this 10 a.m. data passing, I think things will kind of calm down a bit. I think it's not always guaranteed, but it can happen. It can definitely happen. So pass real quick because I really don't know what we're gonna do. See that candle? Huh. Thing I hate about wide ATRs, bro, it just goes before you can even enter, bro. That's why I hate wide ATRs, bro. It makes you hesitant. It's like, dang, it's like, now. Please don't bounce and reclaim, bro. We bounce and reclaim and go above that 24,900. That's gonna really be bullish. I'm here for any of it, honestly. I really don't care. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna rip. I can already tell. I can already tell it's about to rip. This is 80 points, bro. Okay. The higher this goes, the lower I want to go in my contract already. I mean, my goodness, bro. You went short around here and then went like that, bro. You'd have been FUCK'd. You'd have been FUCK'd for real. That's 95 points. Insane. 95 points, bro. Wow. That's insane. That many points. This candle will not flip back red. From what my mentor said, I don't know. It's not gonna flip. He said, "Let's hope it can flip back red." No, it's not. This thing's about to rip. Then again, I don't put nothing past it. My gosh, that's 106 points, bro. That one candle is 106 points. I'm just eating apple, bro, because not much I can do here. We keep rejecting at 24,900, but we still. I don't think we're gonna go short, bro. My mentor's looking for short. He wants to short. I don't think we're gonna short. I don't. At least not right now. I think we're gonna just maybe fail. Now you get offended by. I might sit this out, bro. I don't like how wide this ATR is. I really don't. Cause this right here, bro, is just it's so annoying too because I really want to take some trades, but trading in a range and just this wide ATR has just been hard. It's been hard for me to even want to take anything, like, cause that means you gotta size down, and then there's a fake out. You could get wicked out of nowhere. Mind you, I'm a 1 year trader, so I'm still in that learning stage. My mentor has been trading for 8 years, so you know, I remember I'm still in that learning stage. Sometimes I feel like I'm a vet. Sometimes I feel like I'm really like legit a vet. What's up, Skip? Whatever your name is. on, get that retest spam. See what we can get. It's gonna be so irritating, bro. It's in the, there we go. It's ate 2 oranges and yeah, it's ate 2 oranges and an apple. We can't see the apple because it's in this. It's in the peel here, but yeah, it was so good. Oh, this ATR man. Holy cow. I don't even know what we're gonna do. What we gonna do? We just been chopping in this area. We literally took off on the open, but I knew it was gonna take off because I wanted to be patient with that. So, wait 1 sec. What's the ATR? Hold up. Oh, shoot. All right. Holy moly, this isn't looking too good right now. It's only 10:10. Jeez. It's like we've been sitting here forever, literally. Mm. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Break that recent high there. Alright, close to filling that gap now. This thing I hate about wide ranges too, there's no set structure. It's just a wick. Like what is that, bro? Just a straight wick and just up, bro. These things are so hard. So freaking hard to even get it. It's not possible. It's just not possible at all. How do you even get stuff like that, you know? But we'll see. It's a straight up move. Just a straight move. Chop, chop, chop. Straight. Shot up. Alright, we kind of filled that gap now. We're starting to reject a little bit. Let's see if we can continue. Let's just see if we can continue. Let's see if we can continue. Please continue. $9.40, yeah, that's about it. I mean, we pretty much just went straight up, really. So, yeah, a little wick is just that's hard to catch. I don't know how people can do that. How can people catch these like wicks? Come on, bro. Just fill the gap already. Thank you. Just fill the gap already, bro. That is 47 points. Okay, now the ATR is starting to slow down a little bit as we get higher. So that's good to know and good to see. As long as it's starting to. This is why the ATR starts to get very, 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 very wide. I hate when ATR gets so wide because it's hard to know where to enter and not get wicked out, but your stuff has to be wide. But even still, I just prefer not to do that. Just ready for the market just to get back to normal. Let's get this thing back to normal. But of course, we're in war between Israel and Iran. Well, they're not at war really, but something happened. But I don't follow that stuff, so I mean, I really don't know. I'm not that updated with it personally. I mean, I keep up with it, but not religiously like everybody else, like the most of the world in the United States, most of the people here. I'm just not that engaged. Like there's better stuff to focus on than to be focused on politics and geopolitics all day. It's good to keep up with it as traders, but you know what I mean. All right, well, I'm just sitting here waiting again. Just gotta sit here and just wait. I haven't taken a trade in like 2 days, I think. All right, now we're rejecting, so we shall see what happens next. Maybe this will be the reverse. Maybe this will be the reverse. What you guys think? You guys think this will reverse right here? You guys think this will reverse? I think so. This might be the reverse. Let's see what we can get here. I think this is where we can see something go. We can see something shake. What up, what up, what up? Let's see what we can get here, man. Hopefully we can get something, but just get something here, bro. Like something.
Okay, it should be 10. But
All right, nope, still going up. Eventually, this has to fall here. Like this has to fall. What's up, Patty E?
okay,
We can just something. I know. ES is doing the same exact thing. I already know it. Yeah, ES is doing the same thing. So this is better. If y'all can see that ES is just no better. It's just like what's gold doing right now? Oh, gold. Nice pre-market. But I got Apex, so they want to that high. Man, I ain't gonna worry about it. Just focus on NQ for today. Take my micros, take about 2-3 micros, bro, and just call it. I usually take 1 to 2 minis, but it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. Nothing I can do about it. Literally nothing I can do. Sup, Vivian, Frank, Vivian, Frank. There's literally nothing I can do here, bro. So I'm just sitting here, just watching the market as it just goes and flies on. Just gotta sit here and watch. I really want to take a trade so bad, but I know trade. That's not the right way to go about it. Biggest thing, guys, wait for your setups and then take it. Don't just take it as you go. Don't just fill that reject there. Let's see if we can continue that though. That's the biggest thing. Let's see if we can actually continue. Or are we just gonna do one of those quick taps and go? Like we could form a bam, bam, potential here. So we'll see. We shall see if that'll play out or not. Oh, here we go. It's probably about to be a one tap and then go. My strategies, y'all, are break and retest, so that's what I like to pick. They played out last night, but I freaking missed it. And then we just retested that. So we literally up. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We're really not doing nothing at all. We're really not doing nothing.
Major failure? Yeah, it's coming.
We're definitely gonna fail at some point. I mean, there's just no way. Let's see what the ATR is. Let's see what that is.
Chris, I just
95. It's about 50 something. 46. 96. Okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. About 50. Still pretty considerably wide, but not that wide, if that makes sense. I'm still going to use micros, though, because I want to be able to take something. The only way I'm going to learn is by taking wide ATRs, so. And I'm only a year in, guys. I'm only a 1 year trader. Took my first payout ever after 1 year, so I feel pretty hyped right now. I feel so good about taking my payout. I'm still freaking hyped about it. Hoping I can take this one here. I'm like a couple days away from my second payout now, so hopefully I can take it. I'm very, 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 very excited about it. Dang, swallowed it way too fast. I'm choked. Okay, here we go. We might get something here. We might be getting something here. 25 all the way to 77. That's about 50 something. Yeah, about 50 something again. So we're good. I'm telling you, I think a head and shoulders right here is playing out perfectly. Man. But no, I hope you guys can understand and see the reality of trading and how this actually plays out. Hope y'all can understand the reality of you have to wait for your setups. You don't just take something just because it's there. You don't just take something just because I gotta take it. It's just not how trading works. That's how a lot of traders fail. I used to do it, so I'm not criticizing nobody, but it's how it goes. Look at that potential head and shoulder right now. Please don't just fade. Please don't just fade, bro. Please don't just fade down. Please don't just fade. This is when your average traders, not so good traders, always win in these types of setups. It just floods down and get very. Oh, oh, what the? You said reclaim? This is why y'all wait. See, this is exactly why you wait. Look at that. Went all the way down there thinking it was gonna do something. Bam. This is exactly why you guys wait for that retest there. You don't just rush in. This is exactly why. But again, I hope you guys understand this is the reality of trading. Yeah, days like this are super uneventful. Oh, yeah, I hear the garbage truck. Oh, it's finally coming. Bro, it's like every single day, more and more the garbage truck comes so late on a Monday. It's like every single day they come later and later. I thought I was tripping because I thought it may have came, but it always happens like that. Every single day it just comes late. It just comes later and later. It usually comes at like 7 a.m. around my house, but now it can't. Now it's 10:25 a.m. right now, so I don't know why they always come late. Come later and later. I'm really in no rush to take anything. I'm really not even. I hate days like this, man. I really do. I really, 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 really do. It's hard to trade with a wide ATR like this. No matter how tight you go, it's still freaking hard. It's not easy.
And adapting to change. Experiences that shape the way I view and approach people.
G baby, what's up? G baby, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
When you work with me, you get someone who blends global perspective and financial insight, helping you be confident, well-informed. If you're looking for guidance rooted in strategy, perspective, and care, I'd love to. I'm 19. Well, like, what's your job? MySpace. What's your MySpace? Facebook?
Okay, can we finally get something here, bro? Are we finally gonna get something? Dr. Ray. Well, there's so many people joining. Sorry, y'all. I mean, Are we finally gonna get something here, bro? All right, here we go. Let's see. We just flooded down. Now, can we get a retest? Can we get a retesting go? Don't reclaim, please. Don't reclaim, please. Please don't reclaim up above. Dang, if we took a short like right here, it's a whole there, bro. It's a whole 100 points. Yeah, take control. Yeah, take and lose control. Mm. I mean, we gotta get something here, bro. Just something. My goodness, man. I feel like it's gonna be one of those days where we just won't. We're just not gonna get anything at this point. Dang, bro. That candle literally, you know, that candle back up again. Wow, it's like every time I'm thinking I'm gonna go and take something, it just reclaims. It starts to like reclaim it. Crazy and weird. Crazy and weird that it does that. Why it did that? I think because I came in and came back out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go go. Come on. Oh great. Here it goes. Now it's gonna do it. I should have took that, bro. See, I think I'm about to start going. I think I'm about to stop going live, bro, because I'm not catching nothing. I'm really not. This is getting annoying. But it just never just goes well for me, bro. I'm gonna quit going live because because this is getting annoying. Still got a minute and 40, so this is probably gonna keep going at this point. Every time a mentor leaves, it just goes. Bro, if we reclaim, that's gonna be. I'm gonna be super annoyed. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. See what I mean? See what I'm talking about? Just it just goes, claims again. It just comes back up again. Literally reclaimed like 30 points of that. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We literally got 30 points back again. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it. Put up a little more. Let's put it up just a little bit more. I'm only risking 39 bucks. Could work, could not work. It's fine. I don't really care no more. Let's just give it a try. Continue. Thank you. There we go. Thank you, Lord. Freaking kidding me, man. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. I'm probably gonna get stopped. I do it is what it is, man. Dort. Who's that? Yeah, but I just got stopped. Whatever, bro. $156. I'm not worried about it. Wow. This is insane to me, bro. Just freaking insane. It's crazy to me. It's just crazy. Like, how in the world, bro? Like, you would have thought that would have just went, but like, it's just retarded. This is annoying, bro. I think I'm about to go in and get on now. It is what it is, man. I'm not even gonna worry about it no more. Sorry, I lost $156. I'm not sweating it because if that was a real mini, I think that was like 39 points. That would have been freaking 39 point, well, 40 times 40. Let's make it more simplistic. That'd have been $1,600 I would have lost, so it's fine. Any day that set up there, it doesn't play out, but then with bad setups, it plays out. Alright, y'all. I'm out of here, bro. I don't see the point of being in here no more because this is just not gonna be it. I just don't like the way we've been. I just don't like it. So I'll catch you on the flip side, man. I'm out.